Yeah, so I played, grew up and born in New Zealand, a small town called Otorohanga. Played my club rugby and school rugby there, called Otorohanga Sports Rugby Club, and just made my way through making Mitre 10 Cup and just played for the last 5 seasons there before Drua came and knocked on the door. And yeah, now I'm here. Yeah, it's awesome. It's very special because first Fijian rugby team to be in Super Rugby, so yeah, that's special in itself, and just to be in the group with my family that's gone before me is very special as well. Yeah, so it's great cultural learning for me, growing up in New Zealand all my life, then coming here, start to pick up a bit of Fijian here and there, so it's just great learnings. Probably my weight. My father was a heavy man, just came through and gained all his weight too through the genes, so just trying to keep fit and keep the weight off was probably the most challenging thing, and staying fit. Yeah, it's a great honour. I think this team has just been creating history since they've joined the competition, so it's been huge, and I hope we just carry on momentum and keep making history. Just my family, my son, just working hard for him and just trying to create a better future for him in the future. So. Yeah, sorry, so Haereiti is a Māori name. My mother's Māori from New Zealand. It's like small gift is the thing, but yeah, I think I came as a big gift. So yeah, that's the, and then my Hetet is French, but yeah, all the Māoris have it in New Zealand. So yeah.
What is
I think just keep going. There's a pathway here now through the Fijian Drua, so just keep striving. And I think like with the young, through the deans and stuff, there's eyes watching with the coaches here and development. There's a development coach now, so just keep going and reach for the stars. I think just growing as a team. It's healthy competition, so whoever plays is more than capable to start or come off the bench. But even if you don't get selected, we still have a job to do within the team and prepare the team that's going to get selected to play. So it's good competition.